Every night at exactly midnight, the bells ring from the old church on the hill. Clear, loud, echoing through the town. But here's the thing. That church burned down over 50 years ago. There's nothing left, just a blackened foundation and a rusted bell tower. I asked my grandfather about it once. He looked me dead in the eyes and said, "If you ever hear the bells, don't answer them." Last night I got curious. I walked up the hill at 11:59. At midnight, the bell rang, but there was no bell. No ropes, no wind, just sound and footsteps behind me. I turned around, no one. Then I saw it, a shadow standing in the ruins, facing the sky. Mouth open, but no sound. And yet the bell rang again and again. I ran home, but tonight, the bells didn't ring at midnight. They rang at my door 3 times. Subscribe for more creepy stories.